At the Intrepid Sea, Air, and Space Museum, we amplify the stories behind the marvels of engineering in our collection to inspire a love of science and learning. Join us throughout 2019 as we celebrate innovation. This month's video highlights the museum's Career Ladder and Youth Leadership programs.
Here at the museum, we are really excited to invite middle and high school students to become part of our youth leadership programs. Teen leadership programs are a part of OST, which is our out-of-school time team. And teen leadership programs includes Goals for Girls and YLI. The Goals for Girls program is a year-long, multifaceted program that encourages young women to explore studies and careers in STEM. We provide girls with opportunities to understand and learn STEM content, opportunities to provide them with professional development as young ladies of New York City, and opportunities to work and speak with and meet with female mentors in STEM. Youth Leadership Institute, or YLI, is a 10-month program for high school juniors. Students in this co-ed program learn about the power of advocacy by visiting sites focused on history and commemoration. YLI and Goals for Girls are designed to be the first steps in the museum's career ladder. Students who complete Goals in YLI are eligible to become paid interns and subsequently are eligible to continue the career ladder and apply to become junior members of the museum staff. Interns and junior museum staff conduct research in either STEM topics or American history, present material to museum visitors, and are ambassadors for the museum's teen programs.
Our Goals for Girls program, Youth Leadership Institute, Navigator Internship Program, and Junior Educator positions create opportunities for students to engage with STEM content and develop a lifelong passion for learning. We are proud to offer programs like these that launch the next generation of innovators into their futures.